Get free protein today, and we'll feed a hungry child tomorrow. BioTrust low-carb, grass-fed protein powder is perfect for boosting your metabolism, increasing performance, or curbing those pesky cravings day or night. Use it as a quick and delicious breakfast milkshake, before or after a workout, or as a tasty snack in the evening or whenever your sweet tooth comes knocking. It mixes perfectly in your favorite recipes too, like protein-packed muffins and pancakes. Its award-winning flavors are mouthwatering, but don't let the dessert-like taste fool you. BioTrust low-carb protein contains just 150 calories and has no artificial ingredients. It's certified hormone and antibiotic-free, and each serving is packed with 24 grams of premium protein with only 1 gram of naturally occurring sugar. What's more, it mixes easily and contains a special digestive enzyme that makes it the most stomach-friendly protein on the planet. Does it taste good? You bet. In fact, the taste and quality are so superior that we've recently sold over 2 million containers, and the reviews online are extraordinary. To celebrate today, we're letting you try BioTrust low-carb protein for free. It's simple. Just pay shipping, and we'll send you a sample container right away, in hopes that you will decide to make it part of your daily routine. What's more, when you try our free grass-fed protein today, we'll feed a hungry child. To date, we've donated over 2 million meals to hungry kids in need. We hope you'll join our mission by claiming your free protein container during today's celebration.